Hi Year 1 and welcome to today's maths lesson. Today we are doing subtraction, not crossing 10. Let's just practice it, warm up our brains first. So 1 less than, what's this? What piece is this? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 less than 8 is, we had 8, take 1 away, 7. Fantastic. Count backwards from 16 to 12. Well, you're not going to be able to do this. You can't count backwards from 16 to 12. Are you sure? Okay, let's put 16 in our head and count backwards. 16, 17, no. What happens when you count backwards? Our number gets smaller, doesn't it? So we're heading back towards 0. If I go 16, 17, I'm going up. I need to go down. So I'm going to have 6 fingers up, and this is going to be 16 because there's a secret 10. 10, 6. 16, and we're going down to 12, which will be a 10 and a 2. So 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. Well done. They also can be done like this. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. How do you spell the number? What number is this? A 10 and a 4 is 14. How do we spell 14? 14 is the easy one to spell. 4 and teen. 4 and a number 4. So 4 or r and then teen. And you know how to spell teen. It's t-e-n. So 14. 14. Fantastic. Now, what number is missing? So we've got a part-whole model here and it is broken. We've got a bit missing. So our whole number is 7 and it disperses out. 7 is to 2. So we want 7 as our whole number and we've got 2. How many more do we need? 5. Fantastic. So 5 is here because 5 and 2 make 7. Done. Okay, let's go with this. Okay. Can you read this really long word? Subtraction, or taking away. Now, this is what we're starting to look at now. Subtraction, taken away. And this is where our number gets smaller. So we're going down the number line closest to 0. Think of it as we have a massive box of chocolate biscuits and we're taking them out. And as we're taking them out, we're eating them. So the amount in the box of biscuits is getting smaller. Now, they don't do biscuits here. We are looking at snowflakes. So, here we have got some snowflakes. How many snowflakes have we got? We've got a 10 and an 8. 10 and 8 is 18. And they want us to take away 2. Now, don't get confused here. We are not adding on. We are not putting snowflakes in. We are taking away. So we have 18 and we're going to take 2 away. So 2's are taken away. So they were there and we've taken them away. So how many have we got left? Had 18, we've taken away 2. So now we've got a 10 and how many is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 16. Well done. So 18, take away these 2, left us with 16. Now, I want you to have a think. We've got 10 and 5. What's 10 and 5? 15. And we're taking away 4. Now, am I drawing 4 in? 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I'm taking away. So we've got all our snowflakes here and I'm taking some away. My number's going to get smaller. So 15, take away 4. Let's do that. 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, went. So we had 15 and we've taken away 4. How many have I got now? A 10 and a 1. So I've got 11. Fantastic. Now, let's have a look at this. We've got 10 and how many is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 and 7 is 17. What happened? Did you see that? do that again. So we had 17 and some disappeared. See if you can count how many disappeared. How many went? 3. It was 1, 2 and 3. So we had 17 and 3 disappeared. Let's see if that comes up as our number sentence. We had 17 and 2, 3 disappeared. So how many have we got now? 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 14. It's 14. So we had 17, 3 went away, we've got 14. Okay, now we've got snowmen. So, we've got lots of different snowmen here. Some have got noses, some have got button noses, some have got scarves, some blue scarves, some have got green scarves, some have got no scarves, they're going to get cold. Now let's see what it's telling us to do. The children built 13 snowmen. How many 10s and 1s are in 13? 1 10 and 3 1s. 1 10, 3 1s. Oh, 2 snowmen melted overnight. That's quite sad. 2 snowmen melted. Oh dear, they've gone. How many snowmen are there now? So we had 13 and then 2's been taken away. 13, count back 2. So put 13 in your head, hold up 2 fingers, and we're counting backwards, so our number's going smaller. So we're not going 13, 14, we're going 13, 12, 11, well done. So now 13 take away 2 is 11. And if we were to count these snowmen, there should be 11 here. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Well done. Now this is where we get a little bit different. We're using number bonds to help us do our subtraction. So if we have 7 and we're taking away 2. Now, 7 1s take away 2 1s equals what? 7 is our whole number, take away 2 makes what? 7 take away 2, it's 5. Well done. Do you know that if we added these together, 2 and 5, it would make our whole number 7. You can do it up and down because we know 7 is 2 and 5. We know that 7 take away 2 is 5. I wonder if that means the other way round. I wonder if that means that 7 take away 5 means 2. So if we had 7 and we took away 5, that does leave us with 2. Oh, that's very clever. Oh, okay, we've got 3. 3 parts to 1 whole this time. 17 take away 2. So we'll have 17 as our main number. So let's divide 17 out. 17 is 10 and 2. And then how many will go here? Is 7 divides into 2 and 5. 17 must divide into a 10, a 2 and a 5. Well done. So that's 1 10 and 7 1s. And then take away these 2 1s. How have we got left? If I take these away, what numbers have we got left in our parts? A 10 and a 5, which makes 15. Well done. So, if and then. Ifs on this side, thens on this side. So if 3 take away 2, 3 take away 2 is 1. Then 13 take away 2 is what? 3 take away 2 is 1. Then 13 take away 2 must mean 11. Because what we have, and I'll show you our numicon, is 13, and I'm going to make a 10, a 2 and a 1. So we've got 13 here, and I'm taking away 2, which makes 11. That is the same as this side, because if I had 3 and I took away 2, I'll just have 1. And if I had 13 and I still take away these 2, I just have 11. Done. Let's try another one. 9 take away 4, so I'm going to get my 9 piece. 9 take away 4, so 9 fingers, hold up, take away 4. That makes 5, which means that 19 take away 4 is what? So I know, so let's do 9 take away 4 equals 5. So 9 take away 4 equals 5. So let's do it with a 10 piece. So 19, which looks like this, take away 4 equals how many? 15. Well done. So same, we've just got the 10 added in. 1, 1 and 11, 5, 5 and then 15. So let's try this one. 8 take away 6. 8 fingers take away 6 fingers is 2, which means that 18 take away 6 must make 12. Well done, because we had 8, 6, 2, 18, 6 and 12. Because remember it's the 10 that's here. We haven't taken away that 10. So let's have a look at this page. We've got ifs and thens. So if 6 take away 2 is 4, then 16 take away something equals 14. Now the way we can look at it, this is we've got a 6, a 2 and a 4. 16, something and a 14. So the 6 and the 4, 6 and 4, and we've got our 10. So what number's going to be here? 6, 2, 4, 16, 2 and 14. Well done, because 6 take away 2 is 4 and 16 take away 2 is 14. Next one, 7 take away 4 equals 3. So 17 take away something equals 13. What am I taking away from 17 to make 13? 4, well done. It's the same number sentence, just with 10 more. 7, 4, 3, 17, 4, 30. Well done. And our last one, 9, 6 and 3. So 9 take away 6 equals 3. So 19 take away what equals 13? 19 take away something equals 13. 6. Well done. 19 take away 6 equals 13. Well done, year 1. Let's have a look at today's worksheet. Okay, here's today's worksheet. So we've got cross out counters to work out the subtraction. So when you add, we normally draw our counters in. Now we're taking away. We can't physically take them away from the piece of paper. So we're going to cross them out as if we were counting them, but we're just crossing them out this time. So A is 15 take away 4. So we've got 15 here because we've got a 10 and a 5, 15, and we're taking away 4. Now the way you take this away is you don't take from this 10 yet. You start with our 1s and then we head to the 10s if we need to. So we're taking away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many have I got left? A 10 and a 1, which is 11. A 10 and a 1. Fantastic. Here we've got 17 take away 5. So we've got 17 and we're crossing off how many? 5. So we're going to start at our 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which leaves us with 1 10 and 2 1s. 1 10 and 2 1s makes the number 12. Down here, we've got 20, 2 complete 10 frames, and we're taking away 3. Now, we're still starting at the bottom, although they're 2 complete 10 frames. 1, 2, 3. How many have we got left? 1 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 10 and 7. There. Fantastic work. Now let's have a look up here. Teddy has these shapes. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So he's got 4 cones and 14, cubes and 14 cones. He gives Eva 3 of his cones. How many cones does Teddy have left? So he's giving Eva 3. So let's cross off 3. 1, 2, 3. How many cones does Teddy have left? Let's count how many's left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So he has 11 cones left. And we didn't even need to worry about the cubes. Great work. Here, complete the subtractions. 13 take away 2. So we're doing 13 and counting back 2. Or you can do this with your Numicon. I'm going to use my head and my fingers. So 13 take 2. So we're going to put 13 in our head and hold up 2. Now remember, we are taking away. So we're going to take our fingers away. We're not counting on. 13, 12, 11. So 13 take away 2 is 11. Now let's do 14 take away 3. So I'm putting 14 in my head, holding up 3 fingers to take away. 14, 13, 12, 11. Oh, 11 again. 15 take away 4. What number's going in my head? 15. How many fingers am I holding up? 4. And I'm taking these 4 away. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. It's 11 again. And our last one is 16 take 5. So put 16 in your head, hold up 5, and we're going to take these 5 away. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. The answer is 11. 11, 11, 11, 11. Done. Do you notice? They're all 11. Wow. Use this to fill in the missing numbers. So we've got a number sentence here, and it's 17 take away something makes 11. 17 take away something makes 11. So I am going to get out my Numicon now, and I want you to make 17. So that's a 10 and a 7. And this time we only want 11. So we're going to count to 11. So we know it's 10, 11. How many more have we got? 6. Well done. So 17 take away 6 is 11. The other way you could do that, and I'll show you with this one, is by adding Numicon on top. So this time I need 19. And it's 19 take away something makes 11. So you've got 19 and we want 11. So you're going to get 11 and put 11 on top. So 10 will cover the 10, like this. And then we need to cover the 9, so which is here. Now, how many are not covered? So we know this 10's covered, so I'm going to pop this down. And then how many is not covered here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done. If you're not sure on that, you can always use your cubes as well. Now, that's our worksheet for today. Subtraction is a little bit tricky once you've done addition. You've now got to learn backwards, but I'm sure you'll be fantastic at it as we go on through the week. So have a nice day, Year 1, and I look forward to seeing you for more home learning soon. Bye.